After Multan, we now bring you a report from Sargodha. Union Anjuman Tajran Old Metal Scrap District Sargodha held an organizational ceremony where traders pledged unity, strengthened their commitment to protecting traders' rights, and announced that the union registration is in its final stages. Let's learn more in report by Umar Khan. A dignified organizational ceremony was held under the banner of the Union Anjuman Tajran Old Metal Scrap, bringing together Old Metal Scrap traders, union office bearers, and distinguished guests from across the district. The event aimed to future strengthen, organize, and activate the union while promoting traders' rights, unity, and collective welfare through a coordinated strategy. The ceremony was attended by Union Chairman Aftab Ahmed, President Haji Muhammad Arshad, General Secretary Tanveer Ahmed, Finance Secretary Zulfikar Chaddad, legal advisor and renowned Sarkodha lawyer advocate Sardar Ansar Bloch, along with the large number of union officials and traders. Addressing the gathering, President Haji Muhammad Arshad stated that the organization is the only representative body of old metal scrap traders in district Sarkodha and that its registration process is in the final stages. He said the union primary objective is to safeguard the legitimate rights of traders, collectively raise their concern and strengthen unity within the business community. He urged all members to set aside personal interest and work wholeheartedly for the organization's success and stability. General Secretary Tanveer Ahmed said the union would provide traders across the district with a strong, organized, and trustworthy platform. He emphasized that unity, discipline, and mutual cooperation are the foundation of every successful organization and would play a vital role in making the union a model institution. On the occasion, legal advisor advocate Sardar Ansar Bloch reaffirmed that protecting the legal rights of traders will remain the union's foremost priority. He assured participants that once the registration process is completed, the organization will work within a constitutional and legal framework to effectively resolve trader issues and safeguard their interests. During the ceremony, Finance Secretary Zulfikar Chaddad was honored with a floral garland in recognition of his valuable service to the organization. Participants applauded warmly to acknowledge his dedication and contribution. The event concluded with a lavish lunch hosted in honor of the participants. During the gathering, traders exchanged views on the union's future, discussed business-related challenges, and reaffirmed their commitment to mutual cooperation, solidarity, and standing by one another in every difficult situation. Participants expressed confidence that upon completion of its registration, the union Anjuman Tajran Old Metal Scrap District Sargodha would emerge as a strong, effective, and respected representative body for the district old metal scrap traders. Omar Khan, Big News, Sargodha.